Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to unbox a Bluetooth neckband from the company Boat. It's a sports style model and the model number is Rockers 235V2. It's a very famous neckband and here is the box pack. At the back you can see the price mentioned as 2,990, but it is selling for around 1,199 in Amazon and Flipkart, and during sale days you will even get it for even 1,000 rupees. And here are the main features mentioned over here. It has a magnetic ear tip and it has IPX5 water resistance, and it gives 8 hours of playback time, and it supports Bluetooth 5. Comes with a 10mm driver and it supports fast charging, and the main feature here is it supports call vibration alert. So this helps when a call comes, the earphones will vibrate to notify you. It's a very good features, and since it supports fast charging, if you charge it for 20 minutes it will give you 4 hours of playback time, and that's what they claim. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Opening up the box, you have the neckband, and along with that you will get this micro USB charging cable to charge the neckband and extra ear tips. You have 1 year of warranty, and this is the warranty card, and then you have the user manual for this neckband, then a pamphlet which has all other Boat products mentioned over there. That's all you get inside the box. Let's go to the neckband. Here is the neckband. It's made of plastic, but it has a matte-like finish all over it, so you will get a very nice feel. And the neckband is of flat type, so it's very comfortable to wear, and it weighs only 31 grams, so it's pretty lightweight. And you have a slider over here using which you can adjust the length of the wire according to your comfort. On the right side you have the Boat logo. On the left side you have all other controls. You have the volume up and down button using which you can increase or decrease the volume, and if you long press them it will skip tracks. On the middle you have the multifunction button. It also doubles up as a play pause button. If you hold it for 4 to 5 seconds it will turn on the Bluetooth module, and you will get a voice saying it's powered on or powered off. And even if you connect to Bluetooth, and it will intimate you. On this side you have the charging port, my micro USB charging port, using which you can charge the inbuilt 150 mAh battery. The battery life is pretty good. I got nearly 9 hours of playback time with 80% of the volume, so it's very good, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0, so the Bluetooth range is also very good. Coming to the wire quality is decent. It's a little thin, but it seems to be durable, and the earphone housing is made of metal, and they can magnetically attach to each other, and the bonding is very good, you can see. And here you can see the noise cancellation hole. Coming to the ear tips, the ear tip is angular to a 45 degree, and it will give very comfortable fit, and the earbuds are soft. And you have this ear hook which will hold these earphones tight to your ears when you are doing workouts or any jogging or running activity. Apart from this, these earphones can connect to 2 Bluetooth devices, but I noticed that when you try to switch tracks from one devices to the other, then you will feel some lag and latency issues. So I better suggest you use it with a single device to get a seamless experience. Coming to the sound quality, the sound quality is good. The lows, mids and highs are nicely pronounced, and you have a very boosted bass in this neckband. So if you are a bass lover, you will like this. Since the bass is boosted, it will little bit overpower the other frequencies, so that's the only slight con, but overall the sound quality is good. If you want me to rate, I will rate 8 out of 10 in the sound quality department. And there is an extra standout feature which is the vibrating alert. So the left side of this band will vibrate when you are getting an incoming call, so it's a very good feature in this band, in this price category. So overall it's a very good earphones under 1,200 rupees. If you are planning to buy, please use the below link to purchase. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you guys. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.